we had a terrible windstorm come through and gave me some more jobs to do, and I'm going to show you in this video. So this piece of cabinet was up there above the retaining wall. Blew down here, and look what's underneath of it. A big piece of shingle there for the corner. I bet you that came off the front corner of the house. I'm going to have to go up there and check that, because I don't want water getting into the roof. There's another shingle right there, and another shingle right there. So it looks like these are all the joints on that hip roof there on the front. So I don't think there's any of the main shingles that came off, but we'll go up there and check. So here's one for you. I had one of the kitchen cabinets I took from over top of the fridge sitting here on this corner of the front porch, and the wind was so strong it blew this cabinet down here and busted it all up. I was going to paint it up and put it in the garage, but it's going to the fire pit now. Just like this big sink cabinet here, that was on top of this pile, so now it's blown down here, and then the rest of the cabinet pieces got blown. We got our garbage that we haven't had a chance to burn down there in the woods. We'll have to go picking through that. Just got a huge mess. I just found this piece of jointed gutter, and that came from all the way up there at the barn. Then you can see all the sticks and stuff just blown off the trees. I was at work doing this, but that wind must have been so strong. So I didn't see this till I got home last night. This is the other side of the barn, and that gutter's halfway off too. So that section right there is the only thing that's going to collect rainwater for our cistern, which isn't a huge deal, but it just makes things more difficult on the girls when they're trying to water the goats and feed the animals. See if I see anything in here. I've got that one board missing back there, but it's been missing for a while. This one here has worked its way loose. We gotta get it nailed back up the right way. One day I hope to get a metal roof, and hopefully that'll stay on. Uh-oh. Those are regular shingles there. Those are regular ones. These are regular. I can use these and just cut them and then put them across the corners. Alright, so we're up here on the roof. We're missing a piece or two there. We're missing this whole section. And you can see, if you don't fill that in, that's going to go right into the attic. That looks good there. And then right over here, we're missing this whole section too. So we'll just have to cut these pieces and put them on there. I might need some more shingles. I got that side fixed, but I got a different color. I don't care. And that's fixed over there. And then I got to fix down here at this corner. And the girls are helping me clean up the yard, picking up sticks. All right, I got my roof fixed. Neighbor came by up there in the log cabin. He lost a lot of his shingles, so I think mine match. So we're gonna see if we can find some more for him. I think I got enough. All right, so here's the gutter on the one side of the barn. It scares me because there's a power line coming in. So last night I tried pulling it off, ended up just pulling off that piece. But I'm scared it's going to hit that power line and arc. And it is on there good, and I see why. It's got a good bracket there holding it. So I'm going to have to rip this thing off hard. All right, so definitely not what I was planning on doing today, but the good thing is I got that gutter away from the power line. I was so worried about that. I was so worried that I was going to come home or wake up to see the barn burning down from that gutter arcing. So I'm glad to have that down. Just found another use for the LS tractor. Never thought I'd be doing that, but that came in handy, being able to put it on the bucket. I used the bucket because I'm sitting on the tractor, rubber tires, and I didn't want to use the winch because I'd be standing on the ground. So just in case. What are you guys building here?
We're building
Castles?
stick houses.
Stick houses. Oh, okay. Oh, Kylie just fell down. So then after that, I was able to go in the barn, get some shingles for our neighbor up there in the log cabin, who at one time, back a couple owners ago, the log cabin went with the barn. So I believe the shingles that are in the barn, most of them, go for that log cabin anyway. So that was a match for him because he had a pretty big section of shingles missing, and now he don't have to buy new ones. He can use shingles that go to his house, and he was happy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, not one that we plan to do, but we got more coming after we get all this cleanup done. So we'll see you next time.